Product Review: Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is a high-end tablet that offers a range of advanced features and capabilities. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and expansive display, it is a great option for individuals who want a tablet that can keep up with their daily needs and activities. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is its large 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display. This display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, which makes it ideal for watching movies, streaming videos, and browsing the web. The display also offers a high resolution of 2800 by 1752 pixels, which ensures that images and text are sharp and clear. The tablet is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which delivers fast and responsive performance. This processor is paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, which ensures that the tablet can handle multiple tasks and applications at once without slowing down. The tablet also offers up to 512GB of internal storage, which provides ample space for storing files, documents, and media. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus also features a range of other advanced features and capabilities. These include a dual-camera system, which includes a 13-megapixel main camera and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, as well as a front-facing 8-megapixel camera. The tablet also features an S Pen, which allows users to take notes, sketch, and draw with precision and ease. Another advantage of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is its long battery life. The tablet is equipped with a 10,09 mAh battery, which provides up to 14 hours of video playback on a single charge. The tablet also features fast charging capabilities, which allows users to quickly recharge the battery when needed. The tablet's design is another standout feature that users appreciate. The tablet features a sleek and elegant design, with a thin and lightweight profile that makes it easy to carry and use on the go. The tablet also features a premium metal build, which gives it a high-end look and feel. One potential disadvantage of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is its price. The tablet is relatively expensive compared to other tablets on the market, which may make it less accessible to budget-conscious consumers. However, its range of features and advanced capabilities may make it a worthwhile investment for individuals who are looking for a high-quality tablet that can keep up with their daily needs and activities. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is a high-end tablet that offers a range of advanced features and capabilities. Its large display, powerful performance, and advanced camera system make it a great option for individuals who want a tablet that can handle their daily needs and activities. While its long battery life, sleek design, and S Pen make it a practical and convenient choice for everyday use. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is a great investment that is sure to provide you with a high-quality and reliable tablet experience. Another advantage of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is its connectivity options. The tablet features both Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity, which ensures that users can stay connected to the internet and access their favorite online services and applications no matter where they are. The tablet also features Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which allows users to connect to a range of wireless devices, such as headphones, speakers, and keyboards. The tablet's audio capabilities are also a standout feature that users appreciate.